Hello children, welcome to English class. Today we will start with new lesson number 4, Gita's breakfast. Do you have breakfast children in the morning? You know, there are different varieties of breakfast like pohas, idli, vada, sambar, puri, sabzi, dahi, parathas, dahi and achar. In this lesson, we will see what Geeta have for breakfast. And does Geeta knows what is breakfast? See these two girls who are going to school. These two girls are Geeta's sister, Usha and Uma. They had their breakfast and they are going to school. The girl who is sitting on the dining table with toast jam, eating toast jam and having juice is Geeta. She is small, so she is not going to school. Geeta is now sitting with her grandfather. She is having milk. While drinking milk, her face becomes sticky. The milk stick around her mouth. So her mother has come to clean her face. Geeta's family is Tamilian family, means they speak Tamil at home. So Geeta call her mother as Amma, father as Appa, and grandfather as Tha Tha. Grandmother as Patti. This is Geeta's father. He is going to office and he is having his breakfast. He is having idlis and coffee. So Geeta also wants to have idli with her father. So let's see what Geeta does at home with her family members and how she spend her day at home. Let's start reading the lesson. Usha and Uma are having breakfast. They have to go to school. Little Geeta is on the bed. She thinks she is riding a horse, but it is a pillow. Suddenly Geeta smells something. She gets off her horse and runs to the kitchen. So Geeta is playing with her pillow and she thinks that pillow is a horse. So she is playing as a horse riding game with a pillow. That smell nice. May I have some toast too? She asks Amma. Amma gives Geeta toast with jam. Toast with jam is crunchy and sweet. Geeta loves it. Usha and Uma have finished their breakfast. They pick up their bags and wave goodbye to Geeta. So Usha and Uma are going to school and they are saying goodbye to Geeta. They go off to school. Amma wipes Geeta's sticky face. Geeta goes back to the bedroom. Her horse has gone. It has become a hill. Appa has made the bed. Geeta climbs on the pillow. Now she pretends riding a camel. Her camel is very high. The hump of the camel is just right for Geeta to hold. Suddenly, Geeta hears the sound of a spoon tinkling in a tumbler. Amma is making coffee for Tata. Geeta jumps off her camel. Riding a camel is hard work, so Geeta wants to drink milk. She runs to kitchen again. I want some milk, Amma, and may I have a drop of coffee in my milk? Geeta asks. All right, says Amma. So Geeta gets a cup of milk with a little coffee in it. She drinks it up quickly. There's some milk around her mouth. It looks like a moustache. Amma wipes it off. Soon it is time for Appa to leave for office. Amma gives him breakfast. Geeta goes and sits in the chair next to Appa. May I also have an idli, Amma? Amma gives Geeta an idli. Appa eats quickly and leaves for office. Amma and Geeta go back to the table. Geeta eats her idli with a little sugar. She pushes the chair forward and pretends that it is a train. Geeta's the train goes chuk chuk chuk. Geeta's train is now in front of Patti. Chuk chuk chuk. Patti is reading a newspaper. Geeta, are you riding a train? Have you had breakfast? Patti asks Geeta. No, says Geeta. Uma and Usha had breakfast. Appa had breakfast. I haven't had breakfast. Geeta then takes her train to Amma. Amma, says Geeta, I haven't had breakfast yet. Please give me some. So, children, in this lesson, Geeta had toast and juice with her sister Usha and Uma. Then she had milk with her grandfather. Then she had idlis with her father. When Geeta's grandmother asks that did she had breakfast, so she says no, I haven't. So she goes to her mother and says, Amma, she also wants breakfast. So from this lesson we come to know that Geeta doesn't know what breakfast means. But actually breakfast means what, children? It is same what she had in the morning. Toast with jam, coffee, milk and idlis. These things were breakfast. But she was thinking that breakfast is something different which she did not have. And she asks her mother to give it to her. So, children, you must have understood this lesson, Geeta's breakfast. So, practice reading at home. Thank you.